Hi, I'm Scott and I'm the head coach at Aerial Edge, which is Glasgow's circus school just over in Kelvin Hall. Today we're going to be doing a bit of juggling. Now anyone can do this. All you need is just something roughly ball shaped. It can be an orange or an apple. You can make these. This is just a little sandwich bag with some rice in it. And then if you snip the nozzle off a balloon, you can then wrap that around with a couple of them about 3 or 4 times, and it does the job perfectly. We're going to start really simple to begin with. Just throwing the ball up and down and catching it in one hand. Now while you do this, notice that you only need to look at the ball at the top of its flight and your hand automatically knows where to go to catch it. You don't need to see your hand to catch it, and you also don't need to come up to meet the ball. You can just wait for it to come down, which will be really important in a minute. We can also throw it from hand to hand, doing exactly the same thing. If I get the ball to pass just in front of my eyes, I don't have to think much about where to catch it. Now we're going to add one more step into this algorithm, a little click just before you catch. So we're going to go throw, click, catch. You can also imagine there's a bell here in front of your eyes, and we're going to call it ding. So the ball's going to come up, hit the bell, go ding, we're going to click and then catch it in that hand. Now when I throw, I'm also not using my whole arm to do it. I'm keeping my elbows in and just popping it from hand to hand. So let's try that. Ding, click, catch. Ding, click, catch. And we'll do it the other side. Let's give this other bell a name. We'll call it dong over here. Dong, click, catch. Ding, click, catch. Dong, click, catch. Ding, click, catch. Dong, click, catch. Hopefully that was okay. You may find that you've dropped the ball and had to pick it up. That just happens a lot. It's a thing with juggling. We're going to add in a second ball now. Now as we progress, remember you can go back a step at any point, and it's a good idea to do that later on anyway, and as a warm-up if you're practicing this. So second ball, one in each hand. We've got 2 bells, ding and dong. We're going to go ding, dong, drop, drop. Let them drop on the floor. This one's a bouncy ball, so it's going to go all over the place, but let's see how that goes. So ding, dong, drop, drop. For that one, okay? You can also try dong ding drop drop. Dong ding drop drop. Now before my neighbours get really annoyed at me, let's go to the next step. Remembering you can go back a step at any point. Let's try ding dong catch catch. Exactly the same rules as before. We're just going to be looking straight ahead, watching those balls at the top of their flight. Your hands will know where to go. So let's try it. Ding dong catch catch. And maybe the opposite, dong ding catch catch, dong ding catch catch, ding dong catch catch, dong ding catch catch. Hopefully that's going okay. Even so, let's move to the next step, which is 3 balls. Now, you have to have 2 balls in one hand and 1 in the other. Generally, your dominant hand will have the 2 balls. So if you're right-handed, that'll be your right hand. If you're left-handed, it'll be your left. I'm a bit weird and ambidextrous, so I'm going to switch it up and use my left hand. The ball at the front goes first, so the one nearest your fingertips. Then it's going to be the other hand, and then back to the first hand with this ball at the back here. And we're going to go ding, dong, ding, drop, drop, drop. Don't even think about catching them at this stage. I want you to fail deliberately, which is probably the hardest thing to do with juggling with a lot of people. So in terms of colours, it's going to be yellow, blue, white. Ding dong ding, drop drop drop. Ding dong ding, drop drop. Perfect. Maybe you've got carpet and that's not as loud. So do that a few times. This is probably one of the most useful drills out of this whole lesson. Ding dong ding, drop drop drop. Just get used to that rhythm of throwing them and getting over the fact that you have to fail, and you will fail a few times when you drop them. It's fine. Also, make sure it's 3 distinct sounds, ding, dong, ding, and not something like dingle all at once, yeah? Or not too slow either. Nice kind of steady rhythm. If that's okay, let's move up to the next step. We're going to go ding, dong, ding, drop, drop, catch. So we're going to catch that first one, in fact. Ding, dong, ding, catch, drop, drop. So ding, dong, ding, and I'm going to catch that first one. In this case, let's go back to the same order. It's going to be that yellow one, because that's going first. I'm going to throw them yellow, blue, white. I'm going to catch that yellow one, let the other ones drop. So let's try that. Ding, dong, ding, catch, drop, drop. Try that again. Ding, dong, ding, catch, drop, drop. ding dong ding, catch, drop, drop. I was tempted to catch them there. You probably will be too. Then we're going to try and catch the first two. So, catching that yellow one again first, then that blue one. So I'm basically doing ding dong, catch, catch like we did before. There just happens to be another ball in the mix there getting thrown around. So let's try that. Ding dong, catch, catch, drop. Now this stage is where it gets a bit haywire. So go back to ding dong, ding, drop, drop, drop at any point. It will really help a lot. Let's try that again. Ding dong, ding, catch, catch, drop. Now the next step, if you've got that okay, is rather than go ding dong, ding, catch, 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 we actually want to try and move up to say 4 or 5 catches and throws. So ding dong, yeah? Hopefully that makes sense. And you can kind of count them if you want rather than saying ding dong at this stage. So I'm going to go 1, 2, 3, 4 or 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Just so that you don't get trapped in this thing of ding dong, ding, catch, catch, catch. It's hard to keep moving from there. And it's always better to drop the balls and end up with none of them in your hands rather than end up with all of them at this stage. You want to get your brain into that thing of just being able to throw them and catch them. So, ding dong, ding, catch, whoa, drop. That's perfectly fine. I should have had an assistant throwing these balls back to me. Or a basket of them. Now, a good tip for this actually is to juggle over your couch or your bed, because then the balls will just fall straight there. You won't have to run around the house grabbing them. These bouncy balls are cheap and not bad for juggling, but they do bounce all over the place. So juggling really is just ding dong catch catch, ding dong catch catch constantly. There's always a ball in the air on its way down. Instead of clicking your fingers like we did before, you're throwing a ball. So there's always a ball on the way, one coming in underneath it. So you have this kind of under thing going on. Ding dong, catch catch, ding dong, catch catch. If you just follow one ball, like the white one, you'll see what I mean. Now this is called a cascade pattern. We're doing it underarm. You can also throw them over later on. And you can mix it up too. Just doing combinations of both of those things. But for now, just think about this under, and see how you go. Now it's probably a good point to talk about another pattern called a shower pattern. And this is the one that every human seems to be hardwired to want to do. And that's where you throw one ball up and then pass or throw the other one straight across underneath, which looks like this. You'll probably find you're already able to do this. For now, I want you to forget that this exists because it does get in the way of you learning the crisscross ding dong or cascade pattern. You can do this with 3 balls. Again, you start with 2 in one hand and 1 in the other, and this time we're going to go throw with this hand, and then pass, throw, pass, throw, throw, pass, throw, pass, throw, pass, throw, pass, throw, pass. So you've got to be quick, and generally throw them just a little bit higher, probably. But forget that exists for now. Hopefully you're getting somewhere with that. Don't fret. Remember, go back a stage if you need to. If you can get to the stage of ding dong ding, drop, 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 that's brilliant. And even just that is great brain training as well. So hopefully there'll be millions of jugglers out there in Glasgow now. Come down to Kelvin Hall when we reopen, hopefully by the 22nd of September at this stage. And you can do some more, including flying trapeze and everything else.